What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So we only a few weeks away from the iPhone 12. And a lot of case manufacturers is already sending out cases for the phone. And I tell you, if you watch my YouTube channel, I would advise that if you are getting the new iPhone, whether or not it's going to be a 6.1 or the larger model, I would say order your cases now, because we are finding out that cases is hard to come by in the cell phone market. So Shieldon is a trusted brand. I've done videos for them in the past. Send me out the case for the iPhone 12. So we're going to go over it and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So Shieldon have sent me out the folio wallet case for the iPhone 12. Now this case right here is going for $19.99. They also have the bigger version that's going for $29.99. I would advise everybody to, if you're going to pick up your new iPhone, order your cases early, because we already know that cases is hard to come by, especially for that new shiny device. And you have to protect this phone no matter what, especially with this all glass design and everything in between. All right, so this is the packaging. As we all know and love, Shieldon has really good packaging. I like it. It's really good. They give you some premium packaging here. When you open it up, you do get the case right here. And the case, I've done these cases in the past, and the cases are very premium. It's nice little leather. It is a really good case overall. All right, so let's talk about it here. When you open the case up, you got your slots here for all your cards and everything, which is really good. And this is a magnet. All right, so you do get a nice thank you envelope here from Shieldon, so that's a good look. And you get this stuff here. Shieldon always does this. I just pop this off and I move this out of the way. All right. I mean, they come ready to go. Now, in the inside of the case, you do have a nice little protection pattern here to protect your device. All right. So the iPhone 12, this is a dummy unit. This is not the real unit, obviously, right? The iPhone 12 is not out yet. So you know that Apple design is already out to all the case manufacturers. So it is what it is. This is one of the reasons why you're starting to see a lot of iPhone 12 cases out right now. All right, so let's go and put it in the case right there. It slides right on in, and boom, there it goes, right? Nice and compact. It does have a nice, good gripability to it. You do have your cutouts here for your cameras here. As we know, the iPhone, back of the iPhone probably will not change. We already know all the details about the new iPhone 12. All right, and when you go on the side, you do have access to your volume button here. And at the bottom, you're going to have access to your lightning port and your speakers and your mic. And on the back, you got that nice little rubbery texture here. I'm not rubbery, but it's leather texture here. You got the Shieldon name branding here. Open it up, you can flip it back, and you're good to go. And there it goes, right? And if you want to watch, content, you can put it down like this, and you're also good to go here. All right. So I will leave all product links down in the description below, because again, when the iPhone 12 come out, you want to pick up your case ASAP so you can have full protection for that device. And as far as protection, you know how I like to do it. It's going to protect your device no matter what. But that's what I'm talking about. All your cutouts, and you go get that full protection. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. I will leave all product links down in the description below. I want to give a huge thanks to Shieldon for every year giving me out their cases for review. I really do like their cases. I always get these cases. My wife loves these cases no matter what. So if you're in the market for a $19 case or a $29 case for the larger model, I will leave the link down in the description. Order your cases early so you can get them in before you get your new iPhone 12. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. I like the Shieldon branding right there. You're going to know that you're getting a good case when you rock with Shieldon. Later.